Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you very much.
You had a pretty interesting trip. Can you tell us where you went and what you found?
Well, I did. I left early this week, and I flew up to the Iskut, where Aben's currently drilling, up in the Golden Triangle, and it's quite a trip. It's flight to Smithers and 6-hour drive north, and it's basically off the Alaska Highway. We use the AltaGas camp up there, which AltaGas is built to run a river power plants that are now firing up the whole northwest quadrant of British Columbia. It's pretty impressive. Big camp. You fly out of the camp just up to where we're drilling. It only takes about 8 minutes to get there in the morning, and we've had tremendous weather up until the day I arrived. Pretty socked in, but managed to fly anyways. The crew's doing really, really well. They're moving fast. They're probably a week ahead of schedule. We had a good look at the whole program, the area where we finished drilling, the areas where we're going to, and had a good look at the core. And everything, looks great. We're shipping a lot to the labs as we speak. I actually took some and dropped some off at Terrace. The lab there is jammed with everything that's going on up in the Golden Triangle area. Packed in the stockyards. It's just amazing. And it's something that we should all be aware of, is that the assay results do take time now, because over the last 5 bad years we've had a lot of the assay labs close their satellite shops. And so now you've got limited number. Actually, these guys in Terrace even have assays coming from Quebec to be pulped and sent to Vancouver, along with all the Golden Triangle stuff. So it's a unique situation. Assays are running a minimum of a month, probably a month and a half. So anyways, it was a very impressive trip. It's a very impressive operation. Saw some more rigs showing up for other companies. So as it stands, there's probably about 7 companies using the facilities right now, and then some other companies have their own camps up on sites or over at Bob Quinn by Highway 37 and flying in from there. So it's very active. Helicopters flying everywhere. At shift change, it looks kind of like MASH.
Now, people are worried about forest fires, but that's not really in an area affected by the fires in BC.
Oh, we're well north. I think the closest there would be, where did I see it this morning on the news? Not too much further north of Smithers than that. It's mainly and more central. So it's in good shape up there.
For new listeners, what can you tell us about Aben Resources?
Well, the stock's obviously on a bit of a roll ever since GT Gold came out with their news. Colorado came out with their news, doing the deal with Gold Corp, which is also very good for the whole area. And the fact that we're drilling, our stock is reacting. I think today it's 22. So our market cap is starting to come in line with some of the comps in the area. It's like we were a 4 or 5 million market cap. We're now a 10 million market cap, and who knows? It's probably got more room to go.
Where is Aben traded, and under what symbols?
Aben is ABN on the TSX Venture. It also trades on the OTC Pink Sheets, ABN AF, and Frankfurt E2L2.
Where can people find out more information?
You can go to our website, www.abenresources.com.
And that has all your contact information?
That's got all our contacts. You can call here. If I'm not here, I'm in and out. I'll be gone most of next week as well. And we've got more news coming out, unrelated to the Golden Triangle, but related to our other projects. So we've got some good news flow in the works.
Jim, thanks for the update.
Anytime. Thanks.
We've been speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO and President of Aben Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on August 18th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at howstreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of Howe Street Media Incorporated.